Everflow 7516 kitchen sink stainless steel drain assembly with strainer basket. The company is well known for creating highly durable stainless steel sink strainers. It should not come as a total surprise that they have delivered one of the best kitchen sink strainer baskets on the market. You can choose whether to use a plug or a strainer. It also fits standard drains, size 3.5 inches to 4.5 inches of the flange. The Everflow 7516 kitchen sink stainless steel drain assembly with strainer basket also comes with detachable parts. It has many additional products that go with it, which is rare to come by with stainless steel drainers. Installation is also not a problem because the heavy-duty design of its double cup makes it very easy. When cleaning the strainer, just remove all the trapped bits off of the basket and place it in the dishwasher. After that, you're good to reuse it. The stainless steel is built to last and you can use it for a long time.